chug.
Are you making a video?
Yeah.
You can't.
Stop! A shitload of juice just went down my shirt. And now my boobs are cold.
I'll even try.
Hey.
Keep it far away.
You look like a horse. Stop wearing mom's makeup.
Chug.
Shut up! I cannot chug with you pressuring me. I can't with this.
You can't.
I'm not sure we can do that. Stop being a whore. I love you.
I love you too.
I can see you.
No, you really can't.
Okay, let me calm down so I don't choke on my juice. Fuck, I've got more left. Taylor, I swear to fucking God, I will kill you and eat your firstborn child. Just for you, Apple Pone, just for you.
Don't hit me with it.
Do you just touch your ass? Look at Haley go. Look at that shit drip.
Holy fuck!
Haley, I'll try the rest.
Haley made a mess.
Haley, can I try?
I made a big mess.
Haley, can I try?
I was gonna make a reference to
Haley
Taylor.
has a testicle on her face.
Haley, can I try?
One minor infection.
Haley, can I try?
Go away.
Jug.
So that happens when you try to make me laugh.
Haley, your face and your tits are like red.
No, they're gonna get sticky later.
Chug.